Hi student, welcome to botany class. Today we are going to see the classification of algae. So in the previous video we have discussed about the general characteristic features of algae. Now we are going to see the classification of algae. So the algae classification is proposed by F.E. Fritsch. So F.E. Fritsch, he first proposed the algal classification. So he classified the algae based on the following criteria. What are the pigmentation? Pigmentation means what type of photosynthetic pigment are present in algal group. Okay, so based on the pigmentation, type of flagella. So whether it is uniflagellate or biflagellate. Suppose a biflagellated mean it may be Whipplus or tinsel. So based on the types of flagella. And the another criteria, the reserve food material. So followed by the classification, we have discussed about the three classes, that is chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. In chlorophyceae, the reserve food material is starch. In phaeophyceae, the reserve food material is Floridian starch. Okay, so like the reserve food material, it will vary from one class to another class. So based on the reserve food material. So reserve means the storage food material. And thallus structure, whether it's a unicellular form or multicellular form. Suppose a multicellular mean it may be a colony form or filamentous form or the foliage form. So depending on that. And then based on the reproduction. So vegetative, asexual, unsexual. So among the sexual, whether it's isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Okay. So the F.E. Fritsch, he first proposed the algal classification. So for the classification, he can use the following criteria. First one is pigmentation, types of flagella, reserve food material, thallus structure and reproduction. And he published his classification. In his book, it's entitled with The Structure and Reproduction in Algae in 1935. So the algal classification is published in the book The Structure and Reproduction of the Algae by F.E. Fritsch. So in this book, he classified the entire algae into 11 classes. So what are the 11 classes? We are going to see. So that is 11 classes. Basilarophyceae, Cyanophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Chloromonodineae. Once I repeat, Chloromonodineae, Dinophyceae or Dinophyceae, Eugrinophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Xanthophyceae. So these are the 11 classes. According to F.E. Fritsch. Once I repeat, Basilarophyceae. So it mainly contains yellow or golden brown pigment. So it is a yellow or golden brown algae, Basilarophyceae. So the diatoms is come under the Basilarophyceae. Cyanophyceae. It is a primitive form, prokaryotic form. So all other is a eukaryotic form. Cyanophyceae only prokaryotic form. So for your better understanding, I give an alphabet order. Okay. So Cyanophyceae, it is a prokaryotic blue-green algae. Cyanophyceae, example, that is a blue-green algae, nostoc, anabina, like that. So these are the blue-green algae. Chlorophyceae, green algae. Cryptophyceae, cryptomonads. So it's mainly present in the adverse condition. And Chrysophyceae, brown or orange algae. Brown or orange algae. Chloromonodidae, rhapidophytes. Rhapidophytes. Dinophyceae, that is a dinoflagellate. So here all in this group all have a two flagella. They mean two. Euglenophysii, euglenoid. Phaeophyceae, brown algae. Rhodophyceae, red algae. Xanthophyceae, yellow-green algae. So this is 11 classes given by F.E. Fritsch in his book, that is the structure and reproduction in algae, written by F.E. Fritsch. So in our textbook, they given they described only the three classes. That is a Chlorophyceae, green algae, and Phaeophyceae, brown algae, and Rhodophyceae, red algae. So these three classes only described in our book. So we are going to see the Chlorophyceae. In this member are commonly called green algae. Chlorophyceae, it is a very important one. The Chlorophyceae is commonly known as green algae. Most of the species are aquatic. It may be freshwater or marine water. Freshwater, example Spirogyra. So that is a freshwater form. That means it will be present in the river, lake, like that. Okay, so our pond, so that is a freshwater form. Marine, that is seawater. Alga is an example for marine form. It also belongs to Chlorophyceae. And terrestrial algae. So some algae, it will be present in the soil. That is a terrestrial algae. That is Pteridophylla. So that is an example for terrestrial form. It is very, very important. So which is an example for terrestrial form of Chlorophyceae? Pteridophylla. In green algae, there is a variation in the shape of chloroplast. So what are the variation it present in the shape of chloroplast in Chlorophyceae? We are going to see. These are the different shape of chloroplast. It found only the Chlorophyceae. These are the different shape of chloroplast. Cup-shaped, discoid, gradle, reticulate, spiral, stellate, and platelet. So among the Chlorophyceae, the different form of the algae have a different shape of chloroplast. Cup-shaped, example Chlamydomonas. So that is a cup-shaped. It's a Chlamydomonas. Cup-shaped chloroplast. Discoid, Cara. So that is it is a disc-like structure, Cara. Gradle, Ulothrix. So that is a gradle shape. Or C-shape, like that. Reticulate, Odogonia. So it is a reticulate Odogonia. Spiral, Spirogyra, spiral shaped. Stellate, star shaped, Cyclenema. And plate-like, Mangituia. So that is a plate-like structure, chloroplast. Okay, so cup-shaped, discoid, gradle, reticulate, spiral, stellate, plate-like. So these are the different type of chloroplast. It present among the Chlorophyceae, in the class Chlorophyceae. So next we are going to see the major photosynthetic pigments in this group. So chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So that's why these algae look like a green in color. So that's why it's commonly called green algae. So due to the presence of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. That is a major photosynthetic pigments. And the reserve food material. Starch is a reserve food material for Chlorophyceae. So starch is present in a specialized structure, that is a pyrenoid. The pyrenoid is present inside the chloroplast. So the pyrenoid is helped to synthesize the starch and store the starch. Pyrenoid is helped to synthesize and store the starch material. So apart from this, The pyranid is also contain protein. So pyranid is one of the structure is helped to store the starch in chlorophyll or green algae. Okay, so it's also contain the protein. Next is cell wall. So the inner layer that is made up of cellulose. The cell wall has the two layer, outer and inner layer. So inner layer means it present near the plasma membrane. Outer layer means which is exposed to external environment. Okay. So the inner layer that is a cellulose, outer layer is a pectin. Because this group is full and full present inside the water, no. So that's why they want to prevent from the desiccation. So that's why the outer layer is covered with the pectin. And then reproduction in chlorophyll. So all three types of reproduction is occur: vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Vegetative means the plant part. It will be detached or it form a specialist structure. Is help to regenerate a new plant body. Okay, so that is a vegetative. Asexual by formation of a specialized spore-like structure, either after meiosis or mitosis. The spore, it may be haploid or diploid. Okay, so it will be formed in the specialized structure that is a sporangium is present. So A means away, sexual means the fusion of gamete. So the asexual reproduction, it will away from the fusion of gamete. So there is no fusion of gamete. Instead of that, the spore formation is occur. So sexual means the fusion of gamete, male and female gamete. Vegetative reproduction by means of fragmentation. So that means the plant part, it will be fragmented or detached from the parental body and develop into a new young one. That is a fragmentation is come under the vegetative reproduction. Asexual by the production of a different type of spores like zoospore, aplanospore and akinets. Zoospore, motile spore. Zoospore means it's a motile, flagellated spore. Aplanospore, that is a thick walled. That is a thick walled. Akinet, this is also thick walled, but akinet is formed during the unfavorable condition. Akinet is formed during the unfavorable condition. Okay, so these are the different type of asexual reproduction is commonly seen in Chlorophyceae class, Chlorophyceae. Next, sexual reproduction for all type, isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. So all three type of sexual reproduction is occur in the class Chlorophyceae. So isogamous, the male and the female gamete are the opposite strains are identical in the structure and physiologically. They are similar in the structure and also physiological nature. Okay, that is the isogamous. And anisogamous, either morphologically or physiologically dissimilar. So the isogametes or same gamete, same, similar. Aniso and oogamous is come under the heterogamete. Hetero means different. Okay, so the anisogamete either morphologically or physiologically dissimilar. But oogamous both morphologically and physiologically dissimilar. Okay, so the anisogamous either morphologically or physiologically dissimilar. That is very, very important. In oogamous, morphologically and physiologically dissimilar. In oogamous type, the female gamete are non-motile, male gamete are motile form. In oogamous, the female gamete are non-motile, male gamete are motile form because it's other flagella. And then the same, the male gamete is 100 times smaller than the female gamete. Okay, that means the female gamete are very huge, male gamete are very, very minute. Okay, so all the three type of reproduction, sexual reproduction is occurring in chloroclast, chlorophase. Next, they given the some examples of this group. That is chlorella, is a structure of chlorella. Cladomonas, this is a structure of cladomonas. So both are. It is a unicellular non-motile form. It is a unicellular motile form. And Cara is a structure of the Cara. Spirogyra, Illothrix is a Illothrix. Alva is a structure of alva, foliage. Illothrix and Spirogyra both are filamentous form. So that is a foliage form. Valvas, colony form, is a colony. Okay, so these are the different type of. The algae is classified under the chlorophyceae. Thank you, student.